the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. Oh, I forgot my towel. Let's get that. Okay guys, so for the roller set, you're gonna need a spray bottle of water, also a tail comb, and of course you're gonna need your rollers. Okay, so I'm using both my magnetic rollers and my big roller, and I'm gonna use that fasten prong clip because the bigger ones doesn't come with a fastener. Okay, so of course when you're roller setting your hair, you use the rollers according to your hair length. Okay, love, so if you're gonna be rolling your hair going backwards like I'm doing, the technique to this is you're gonna roll and pull. Okay, so the reason why you're gonna be pulling a little tighter is because you want to make sure that that roller is not gonna be moving. If you're moving your head, you want a nice tight set, roller set. Okay, so all you do is, remember guys, roll and pull, roll and pull. Okay guys, so just watch the video guys, and I'm gonna be having a lot of close-up shots, a lot of slow motion for you guys to get it. Okay, and if you have hair in the front like I have, all you have to do is use the comb just like that and pull it back on the roller, and you're gonna use the magnetic fastener and clasp it just like that. If your roller is loose, just like I'm showing, you use the prong and you put it right on the hair and the roller, and that's it, it's secured. Okay guys, so this video is gonna have a lot of repetition, a lot of close-up shots, a lot of slow motions, okay, because I want you guys to get this roller set technique. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video, enjoy the music, and enjoy a vibe. Okay, enjoy the vibe guys. All right, so if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free guys to drop them in the description, the comment section down below, and I'll be so happy to respond to them. Okay guys, and just enjoy the music guys, enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the end.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken,
Okay, loves, I hope you're enjoying the video and learning something so far, okay? But this is just a friendly reminder, guys. If you have not yet subscribed to the Miss Kimmy K family and you have reached this far in the video, why not hit that subscribe button down below? Hit the subscribe button down below so you can be a part of the Miss Kimmy K family. It's nothing but love and support over here, okay? And also, guys, please make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you'll be notified whenever I upload my weekly videos, guys. So don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend, guys. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in the end.
They can play well, but we foretell. They can play well, but we foretell.
Okay, love, so here's an important tip. Also, if you're putting the clasp on your rollers and you're going to sit under the hooded dryer, don't put it by your ear, okay? Make sure to put it on the opposite side, like where I'm putting it, because when you sit under the dryer and the clasp gets hot from the heat of the dryer, it's gonna burn your ears, okay? And it's gonna feel very uncomfortable. So make sure to put it on the opposite side, like where I showed you, than resting it by your ears, okay? Okay, loves, we are coming down to the end of this video, okay? I hope, guys, that you have learned something from this video. And remember, if you have any questions or if you're going to be doing your roller set based on this video, please let me know in the comment section down below, okay? And also, if you would like to know what deep conditioner I use in my hair, it's the ORS. It's the ORS olive oil rice water. They have that new line, so I tried it in my hair. But guys, truly, I think I applied too much in my hair because it actually weighed down my hair a little bit. So I'll know just to use a little bit next time, okay? And also, guys, I did not flat iron. Usually when I roller set, after I roller set my hair, I don't flat iron my hair. So this is just straight, you know, straight from the rollers. I'm showing you the results, okay? I think my next roller set video, I'm going to be flat iron my hair so we could see that silkiness and that body coming through, okay? And guys, please don't forget to massage your scalp. Yes, lovelies, massage your scalp. It stimulates hair growth, okay? All right, loves, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and also don't forget to subscribe to the MSKIMMYK family. I love you for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
I walk back to my history.